Hi, I'm Glen with Independence Training, and I want to tell you a little bit about my KE Arms KE15 team rifle. I've been using this carbine for several years now, and man, I just can't say enough good things about it. I mean, look, AR-15s are AR-15s, right? I think everyone's getting pretty tired of all the different companies coming into the market, unless someone does something different. And I'll tell you, KE Arms has definitely done something different. They've taken a pretty conventional piece of equipment, an AR-15, and they've turned into a freaking laser beam. I mean, I absolutely just love shooting this gun. I've shot it in action matches, I've used it in hunting, I've used it in long-range precision, competitions, just about every application, training, recreation, everything. And it just continues to perform well. We shoot them dirty, it gets nasty, and we just never have any problems with it. So I want to tell you a little bit about the gun itself. As I mentioned, it's the KE Arms KE15 rifle. It's got a Ballistic Advantage barrel. I really like Ballistic Advantage barrels. I've got several of them on different guns, and I've just always had really good success with them. It's a good lightweight build from the fore end all the way down to the stock. Everything's designed to be relatively lightweight. Optic, I selected the Vortex Razor HD Gen 2 1:6. It really allows me to do everything I want to do from up close. I can turn on the red dot on this thing and hammer down up close, or I can take this gun out. How far out? I've taken this gun very successfully and very consistently out past 700 yards and really had great results with it. It's got a flared mag well, a little bit easier getting reloads in when you're kind of under stress. I utilized a 45-degree selector, and I do run an ambidextrous selector so that when I am running either on my left side as a right-handed shooter, or when I'm running precision, I can move my thumb over to that other side of the gun and be able to manipulate that safety very easily. I run the Mission First Tactical Minimalist stock. I really like this stock as well. I've got on a couple of other rifles after I started using on this. I run their grip as well, so you can see it's kind of modified a little bit, but I really like this stock. It's proven to be very, very durable. At first I was worried about this foot maybe breaking off. Never had any problems with that. And the trigger I'm running is the KE Arms DMR trigger. Hands down my favorite trigger for long-range shooting. I've got it in a couple other guns as well. So mount-wise, American Defense Manufacturing, the ADM QD mount, nice and quick and easy if I do have to take the optic off or readjust it for any reason. And of course, my good old trusty Redwire Gear convertible sling. So set up like this, I've run this gun, as I said, just about every possible situation you can imagine, from recreational and hunting to competition to long range, and I've just had a lot of success with it. I really like it. Feeding it different types of ammunition. I typically hold with good match grade ammunition about a half-inch group at 100 with ASYM ammunition and also Prime ammunition, which are kind of my favorite ammo to shoot out of this particular rifle. So if you're looking for something new, you're looking for something great, you're looking for a carbine that can kind of do it all, definitely check out the KE Arms KE15.